What's going on, guys? Your boy G. Welcome to G's Exotic Finches. And here we are. I got some of the grass, the fake grass on the floor. And I just put this piece of plywood on top here for now. You know, it was gonna thunderstorm pretty bad. And another thing was that the birds was sleeping right up here. And I didn't want any raccoons, you know, or weasels, or fisher cats, or possums, or skunks, or mice, or coyotes, or foxes, or hawks to interrupt or try to kill them. So everything I just named, I have seen on this property on a daily. Okay. And that's why it's very important for me to make sure there is no openings, you know, loose wire where predators can make its way in. I am second guessing myself, and you know, once you do that, you have that feeling in your gut. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. It's just the time. I'm gonna build another 1.5 inches out with the same chicken wire, same mesh, for protection. Okay, now they can sleep out here. Now they can do whatever they like. And on top of that, I'm gonna make myself another entrance where I can go in, lock the door, and then open the door, which is gonna be over there, to go into the bird room. Because if I just open that door and come in, you know, birds can just swipe right out. So as of right now, I don't need to move anything in here. I don't need to touch anything in here. So I will like to add more nest boxes, you know, and more perches, you know, some sticks from the wild. I got these over here dying off. Pick some of these up, and yeah, just place them. That way birds will have more areas to perch on. But at the same time, I like the open middle where the birds can fly freely. You know, if I fill it up with brushes and all that stuff, birds are not gonna fly and move as free. So that's another thought. I might just put more on that corner over there, you know, and a little bit on this corner, and keep the middle nice and opened. And yeah, everything else, guys, everything is working great and moving towards the positive side. You can't complain. I just gotta cut this mesh over here a little bit, as you can see. But other than that, everything is going great. You know, breeding season is awesome. A lot of babies. There was a heat wave that we got, and on that heat wave, a lot of eggs died in the embryo, you know, inside the egg. You know, it's hot, and then the parents are incubating the egg, and it's just a code for disaster. You know, unfortunately, I don't have AC or none of that stuff in here. I do have fans where the fans circulate the air, make stuff cooler for the birds. And that's it. I am gonna open some skylights on top, and inside I'm gonna open up some walls, take a few walls down, and it's gonna be one big opening. So that's gonna be happening soon. I just need a few birds to finish up their babies, and we're gonna get to it. But as you see, the birds are enjoying themselves. It was 90 something degrees yesterday. Very, very hot, you know, and it's very important for us to keep our birds hydrated, you know, with some electrolytes, so they can bounce back from the heat. Believe it or not, it does play an effect on them. And you don't want your birds getting sick or overheating themselves. So some good electrolytes, some vitamin water, and they will be great and they will do much better. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoy this little clip. You know, you can see the birds. They just fly out, as you can see, and fly in. One day you're gonna have like an air collision. And I'm just waiting for a lot of these birds to finish up the molt and color up. I have a lot of birds that's gonna be posted on the website. If anybody's looking for birds, we're gonna have some shaft-tail starfinches, some fife canary, Goulians, blue, yellow, greens, some English zebras. We got some whites, some normals, and much more. So if anybody's looking for birds, let me know. You can comment down below, or you can visit the website www.gsexoticfinches.com. All right guys, y'all have a blessed day now. Bye bye.